We returned to Bali from nearby Sumba and headed to the beach town of Seminyak. We arrived at our Airbnb at Alira Villas, a short walk from the beach. With cool open architecture, a stellar deal at just $150 a night. We headed to the W pool bar to enjoy the afternoon. Including a nice sunset by the beach. In the morning, we took a taxi to the famed Tanah Lot Temple. A truly unique setting on the coast. We arrived at low tide, where you can walk to the temple. At high tide, it becomes an island. We received a Buddhist blessing, the holy spring water. Tanah Lot, meaning land in the sea, has been a holy place for over 600 years and is one of the 7 sea temples of Bali.